Part of the bigger background of blockchain is the concept of smart networks more generally. So we could think of everything that's happened with computing networks so far as being part of one era of transferring information on the internet with simple networks. And then now with the advent of blockchain, that everything from here forward is a new era of transferring secure information, money, and assets via smart networks. Smart networks is loading more complexity into our internet pipes and using algorithmic methods to check and confirm the transfer of these assets across the internet. So the whole first era was simple transfer of information, and now we're heading into smart network transfer of value. That means the ability to securely transfer value over the internet. This means that the internet effectively becomes like a VPN system for the transfer of any kind of secure exchange between parties over the open internet pipes. How long this could take to roll out could be decades. So people are worried that they're already late to the Bitcoin blockchain party because there has been a lot of news and Bitcoin has been $2,700, $2,900 in the market. And so people are worried they already missed out. But really this is a significant new era of the internet. And just like the information internet took 30 to 40 years to roll out, and it's still rolling out. It took 15 years alone for corporate email as the main application to be a standard thing in our lives. And similarly, the money internet, blockchain, could take 30 to 40 years or longer to fully roll out because it deals with money, it's more sensitive. And so the applications will be rolling out very slowly. So there's no need to rush to this party or join this market and figure out an application, but rather it's time to learn about it and watch what's happening and maybe start to experiment a little bit.